Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a D3D video using a live photo on Prequel. So select a live photo and wait for it to import. And once you're done, you are going to press Effects, go to D3D over here, and select the effect you want to add to the picture. For instance, this dust one. But if you don't really like it and you want to change it, just press like this button over here and find others to choose from. For instance, maybe this one. And once you're done, you're just going to press next up here on the top right corner and wait for it to export. And once you're done, you're just going to press save video. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!